Hi, we're on page 4 of your Unit 3 packet, and we're going to talk about the triangle side inequality theorem. So given two sides, is the third side a reasonable number? That's the question that we're being asked. So the theorem, again, is just an application theorem, meaning that we're going to be asked to apply it. It's not going to show up on our proof. So here we have the sum. We're on the far right of the page 4. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So let's say you are given an obtuse triangle that we're going to squeeze into here. We're going to call all the capitals the angle measures, so capital A, capital B, capital C, and the sides across from those angles will be labeled with lowercase letters, so little b here, little a here, and little c here, and those sides are opposite their angles. So according to this theorem, if we knew the sides a plus b, or if we knew the sides a and we added it to the side length b, that sum must be greater than the third side c. And we do all possible combinations, so that would mean, for example, if you did a plus c, that must be bigger than b, and lastly, b plus c must be greater than a. This must be true for all three. So when I'm looking at a set of three numbers given, it'll ask, can the three given numbers be the lengths of the sides of a triangle? And we would say, okay, well, 5 plus 6 is indeed greater than 8. Okay, so that works. 6 plus 8 is greater than 5. Is that greater than 5? Yes, it is. And then we have 5 plus 8 is indeed greater than 6. So this ends up working out as a possible set of sides of a triangle. It is possible to make that triangle. Okay, so the situation for number 2, we would again check all of the possibilities. 8 plus 9, is that greater than 19? Uh-oh, that's not right. So that means that this is not a possible set of numbers that could represent a triangle. And so what that means is that you might be given sides where the triangle is, the third side is too short, or maybe it doesn't make sense to fit it within the parameters of the given other two sides. That third side wouldn't be a possible side of a triangle. So just when we're looking at it, I think the best way to do it as you're working through it is look for the situation where it doesn't work. So for me, when I look at number 3, it automatically comes to mind that 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So therefore, when I'm doing my checks, I know that 10 plus 2, there's no way that it's greater than 12. It can't be equal to 12 either. So this is not a possibility. So this one is both 2 and 3 are no. Those three numbers cannot represent the lengths of the sides of a triangle. Okay, so that completes triangle side inequality theorem, and you can find this theorem in your textbook in section 5-5 for reference.